Discover an extraordinary 200-plus acre lakefront estate in Georgia where luxury architecture, historic significance, rolling countryside, and over 3,500 feet of pristine shoreline come together to create one of the Southeast's most remarkable legacy properties. Nestled along the scenic shores of Lake Oconee, this breathtaking retreat, known as Soldiers Crossing, delivers unmatched privacy, natural beauty, and timeless design in a setting few properties can ever replicate. Spanning nearly 200 acres of rolling pasture land, mature forests, and sparkling waterfront scenery, the estate offers an incredible connection to nature, with more than 1,000 feet of lake frontage and over 2,000 additional feet of peaceful tributary shoreline. Rich in history, Soldiers Crossing also carries significance from an 1864 Civil War skirmish and includes 2 preserved historic structures dating back to the pre-Civil War and turn-of-the-century periods, adding a rare sense of character and heritage. At the heart of the property sits a spectacular residence inspired by the architectural philosophy of Frank Lloyd Wright. Designed by Harrison Design, the home rises naturally from the landscape with locally sourced stone, warm natural wood finishes, and dramatic walls of glass that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Every detail throughout the home was thoughtfully crafted to create both luxury and comfort. The chef's kitchen showcases premium appliances, custom cabinetry, and elegant finishes designed for entertaining and everyday living. The dramatic great room becomes a centerpiece of the residence, with soaring floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking beautifully designed gardens and a peaceful koi pond. The main-level primary suite serves as a private retreat, with spa-inspired amenities, custom closets, and direct access to surrounding outdoor spaces. The terrace level transforms into a resort-like experience of its own, featuring a private wellness retreat complete with a swim spa, sauna, steam shower, recreation lounge, billiard space, wine cellar, and a retractable private theater for unforgettable gatherings. Outside, the grounds are equally stunning, with formal rose gardens, raised planting beds, winding walking trails, and abundant wildlife throughout the estate. This Georgia lakefront estate combines 200-plus acres, extraordinary architecture, rich history, private shoreline, and unmatched craftsmanship into one truly unforgettable legacy property.